Welcome! In today's video, we're diving into a step-by-step checklist for choosing the right inventory management software specifically tailored for marketing teams. With so many options out there, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But don't worry, by following a clear process, you'll be able to identify the best solution for your team's unique needs. Whether you're managing promotional materials, branded merchandise, or digital assets, the right software can streamline your workflow and boost your marketing impact. Let's get started by understanding why inventory management matters for marketing teams. Inventory management isn't just for warehouses or retail stores. For marketing teams, it's about keeping track of everything from printed brochures to giveaway items and even digital assets like images and videos. Without an organized system, things can get lost, duplicated, or forgotten, leading to wasted resources and missed opportunities. Efficient inventory management ensures that your campaigns run smoothly, deadlines are met, and your team always knows what's available. This foundation is crucial for executing successful marketing strategies. The first step in choosing inventory management software is to clearly define your marketing team's needs. Start by listing all the types of inventory you manage. This could include printed materials, event swag, digital files, or even demo products. Consider how often you need to access these items, who needs access, and what your pain points are with your current system. By understanding your requirements, you'll be able to filter out software options that don't fit and focus on those that do. Once you've defined your needs, it's time to set clear objectives for what you want the software to achieve. Are you looking to save time, reduce errors, improve collaboration, or gain better visibility into inventory levels? Setting specific goals will help you measure the success of your chosen solution and ensure it aligns with your team's broader marketing objectives. Write down your top priorities and keep them in mind as you evaluate different options. Choosing inventory management software isn't a solo decision. Involve key stakeholders from your marketing team and other departments like procurement, finance, or IT. Gather input on their workflows, challenges, and must-have features. This collaborative approach ensures that the software you choose will meet everyone's needs and encourages buy-in from the start. Schedule a meeting or send out a survey to collect feedback before moving forward. With your needs and objectives in hand, start researching available inventory management software options. Look for solutions that are specifically designed for marketing teams or that offer features relevant to your use case. Read reviews, compare features, and check out demo videos. Make a short list of software that seems to fit your requirements. Don't forget to consider both cloud-based and on-premise solutions, depending on your team's preferences. Integration is key for marketing teams that rely on multiple tools. Make sure the inventory management software you're considering can integrate with your existing marketing platforms, such as CRM systems, email marketing tools, or project management software. Seamless integration reduces manual data entry and helps keep your workflows efficient. Ask vendors about available integrations and request demos to see how they work in practice. A great inventory management system should be easy to use. Evaluate the user interface and overall user experience of each software option. Look for intuitive navigation, clear labeling, and helpful support resources. If possible, sign up for a free trial or request a demo so your team can test the software firsthand. A user-friendly system will encourage adoption and minimize training time. Every marketing team is unique, so it's important to choose software that can be customized to fit your specific processes. Check if the inventory management system allows you to create custom fields, workflows, or reports. Customization ensures that the software adapts to your team's needs, rather than forcing you to change your processes to fit the tool. Security is a top priority, especially when managing sensitive marketing assets and data. Review the security features of each software option, such as user permissions, data encryption, and audit trails. Make sure the software complies with relevant data protection regulations. A secure system protects your team's assets and builds trust with stakeholders. As your marketing team grows, your inventory management needs may change. Choose software that can scale with your team, supporting more users, larger inventories, and additional features as needed. Ask vendors about their scalability options and whether they offer different pricing tiers or modules that can be added over time. Robust reporting tools are essential for tracking inventory usage, identifying trends, and making data-driven decisions. Evaluate the reporting capabilities of each software option. Look for customizable dashboards, exportable reports, and real-time analytics. Effective reporting helps your marketing team optimize inventory levels and plan future campaigns more effectively. Marketing teams are often on the go, attending events or working remotely. Check if the inventory management software offers mobile accessibility, either through a dedicated app or a mobile-friendly web interface. Mobile access allows your team to update inventory, check stock levels, and manage assets from anywhere, increasing flexibility and responsiveness. Reliable customer support is crucial, especially when implementing new software. Evaluate the support options offered by each vendor, such as live chat, phone support, or knowledge base. Consider response times and the availability of onboarding resources. Good support ensures a smooth transition and helps your team resolve issues quickly. Pricing can vary widely between inventory management software options. Compare the pricing models of your shortlisted solutions, considering factors like subscription fees, user limits, and additional costs for extra features. Make sure you understand what's included in each pricing tier and whether there are any hidden fees. Choose a solution that fits your budget while meeting your needs. Before making a final decision, request demos from your top software choices. Demos give you a hands-on look at the features, user interface, and overall experience. Prepare a list of questions and scenarios relevant to your marketing team's workflow. Use the demo to see how well the software addresses your needs and whether it feels intuitive to use. After testing demos, gather feedback from your marketing team and any other stakeholders involved in the process. Ask about their impressions, what they liked or disliked, and any concerns they have. Collecting diverse feedback ensures that the final choice will work well for everyone and increases the likelihood of successful adoption. Ask vendors for references from other marketing teams or similar organizations that use their software. Reach out to these references to learn about their experiences, challenges, and results. This real-world feedback can provide valuable insights and help you make a more informed decision. Before committing, review the implementation process for each software option. Ask about setup times, required resources, and any potential disruptions to your team's workflow. A smooth implementation ensures that your team can start using the new system quickly and with minimal hassle. Training is essential for successful software adoption. Ask vendors about available training resources, such as tutorials, webinars, or in-person sessions. Plan how you'll onboard your marketing team and ensure everyone is comfortable using the new system. Well-planned training reduces frustration and helps your team get up to speed faster. If you're switching from an existing system, data migration is a critical step. Test the migration process with sample data to ensure that all your inventory information transfers accurately and securely. Address any issues before going live to avoid disruptions and data loss. Proper user permissions help maintain security and organization. Set up roles and access levels for your marketing team, ensuring that each member has the right level of access to inventory data. Regularly review and update permissions as team roles change. Tailor the software's workflows to match your marketing processes. Set up automated notifications, approval chains, and inventory tracking steps that reflect how your team operates. Custom workflows improve efficiency and ensure consistency across campaigns. Once your workflows are set, import your existing inventory data into the new system. Double-check for accuracy and completeness. Clean, organized data ensures that your team can hit the ground running and avoid confusion during the transition. Before rolling out the software to the entire team, conduct a pilot test with a small group of users. Gather feedback on usability, identify any issues, and make necessary adjustments. Pilot testing helps catch problems early and ensures a smoother, full launch. After successful pilot testing, roll out the inventory management software to your entire marketing team. Provide clear instructions and support resources to help everyone get started. Monitor the rollout closely and be available to answer questions or address any challenges that arise. Once the software is live, monitor how your marketing team is using it. Track adoption rates, identify any recurring issues, and gather feedback for further improvements. Early monitoring helps you address problems quickly and ensures a positive user experience. Continuous support is key to long-term success. Set up a system for ongoing support, whether through internal resources or vendor assistance. Encourage your team to ask questions and report issues, and provide regular updates on new features or best practices. Identify and track key metrics to measure the impact of your new inventory management software. Metrics might include time saved, error reduction, improved inventory accuracy, or increased campaign efficiency. Regularly review these metrics to assess whether the software is meeting your objectives. Encourage your marketing team to provide ongoing feedback about the software. Set up regular check-ins or surveys to collect suggestions and identify any new challenges. Continuous feedback helps you make timely adjustments and keeps your team engaged. As your team becomes more familiar with the software, look for opportunities to optimize workflows, automate repetitive tasks, streamline approval processes, and adjust inventory tracking methods as needed. Optimization helps your team get the most value from the software. Keep your training materials up to date as the software evolves. Add new tutorials, update documentation, and share tips for using new features. Updated training resources help new team members onboard quickly and keep everyone informed about best practices. Vendors regularly release software updates with new features and bug fixes. Stay informed about updates and evaluate how they might benefit your marketing team. Schedule regular reviews to decide which updates to implement and how to communicate changes to your team. Accurate data is the backbone of effective inventory management. Establish regular data audits to check for discrepancies, outdated information, or missing items. Encourage your team to report errors and update records promptly to maintain data integrity. After a few months of use, evaluate the return on investment, ROI, of your inventory management software. Compare your initial objectives with actual results, such as time saved, cost reductions, or improved campaign outcomes. Use this analysis to justify the investment and identify areas for further improvement. Based on your experience with the new software, adjust your inventory management policies as needed. Update guidelines for ordering, tracking, and using marketing assets. Clear policies help maintain consistency and prevent future issues. As your marketing team and campaigns grow, revisit your inventory management needs. Plan for additional users, new asset types, or expanded features. Regularly reviewing your needs ensures that your software continues to support your evolving marketing strategy. Inventory management technology is always evolving. Stay informed about new trends, tools, and best practices in the industry. Attend webinars, read industry blogs, and network with other marketing professionals to keep your team ahead of the curve. Maintain a good relationship with your software vendor. Regularly check in to discuss your team's needs, upcoming features, or any issues you're experiencing. Strong vendor relationships can lead to better support and early access to new features. Encourage your marketing team to explore innovative ways to use the inventory management software. Experiment with new features, integrations, or workflows that could further streamline your processes. Innovation keeps your team engaged and helps you stay competitive. Throughout the process, document lessons learned and best practices. Share these insights with your team and future new hires. Documenting your experience helps avoid repeating mistakes and builds a knowledge base for continuous improvement. Take time to celebrate your team's successes with the new inventory management software. Recognize improvements in efficiency, accuracy, or campaign outcomes. Celebrating wins boosts morale and reinforces the value of your investment. As your needs evolve, you may need to upgrade your inventory management software or switch to a new solution. Prepare for upgrades by keeping your data organized, maintaining documentation, and staying informed about new options. Being proactive ensures a smooth transition when the time comes. Share your team's experience with inventory management software with other marketing professionals. Write case studies, present at industry events, or participate in online forums. Sharing your journey helps others and positions your team as a leader in marketing operations. Congratulations! You've now walked through a comprehensive, step-by-step checklist for choosing inventory management software for marketing teams. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to select, implement, and optimize a solution that supports your team's goals. Remember, the right software is an investment in your team's efficiency and success. Stay proactive, keep learning, and continue refining your processes as your marketing needs evolve.